Close your eyes for a second and picture this version of you. A version that wakes up with purpose. A version that doesn't hesitate. A version that doesn't escape, doesn't delay, doesn't doubt. Now imagine this version becomes real in just 21 days. Not months, not years, 21 days. It sounds intense, it sounds difficult, and that's exactly why most people will never experience it. But you're here, and that means something inside you is ready to change. This isn't motivation, this isn't hype, this is a system that rebuilds you from the inside out. Because in the next few minutes, you'll learn 5 steps, 5 simple actions, but if you follow them for 21 days, they won't just improve your life, they will replace the person you used to be. It doesn't matter if you failed before. It doesn't matter if you feel weak right now. It doesn't matter if you lost focus, lost time, or even lost belief in yourself. What matters is what you do next. But before we begin, make one decision. Watch this with full attention. No distractions, no multitasking, because this could be the moment everything starts changing. The next 21 days are not ordinary days. They are a test, a battle between who you are and who you could become. And step number 1 is morning ownership. Your morning is not just the start of your day, it's the foundation of your identity. When you wake up and delay, hesitate, or hide under comfort, you teach your brain to avoid difficulty. You teach yourself weakness without realizing it. But when you wake up with intention, you send a different message. You say, I am in control. Choose a fixed wake-up time. It could be 5 a.m., 6 a.m., or whatever fits your reality. But once you choose it, protect it. Wake up immediately. Don't negotiate. Don't debate. Move your body. Even a few minutes of movement activates your energy. Expose yourself to discomfort. A cold shower reminds your mind that you can face resistance. Feed your brain. Read, learn, grow. These small actions are not random. They are signals. Signals that you are no longer passive in your own life. Discipline isn't built when things are easy. It's built when your comfort begs you to stop and you continue anyway. And once you start proving to yourself that you can act despite resistance, something powerful happens. You stop depending on motivation. You start becoming someone reliable. Step number 2 is reclaiming your attention. Most people no longer control their focus. Their focus is rented out to notifications, scrolling, and endless noise. The first thing they see in the morning is their phone. The last thing they see at night is also their phone. This constant stimulation weakens your ability to concentrate. It fragments your thinking. It drains your mental strength. You feel busy, but accomplish nothing meaningful. This isn't an accident, it's conditioning. For the next 21 days, reduce unnecessary screen use. Create distance between you and constant stimulation. Let your brain breathe again. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Silence will feel strange. But that silence is where clarity returns. When you regain control over your attention, you regain control over your direction. Step number 3 is mastering self-control. Every day you face impulses, urges, distractions, escapes. Most people obey them instantly, without resistance, without awareness. But every time you resist an impulse, you strengthen something invisible, your inner authority. Self-control is like a muscle. It grows through resistance. For the next 21 days, practice restraint. Avoid behaviors that weaken your focus and drain your energy. Redirect your mind when distractions appear. Replace impulsive habits with intentional actions. This isn't about restriction, it's about leadership. Leading yourself instead of being led by impulses. Because the person who can control himself becomes unstoppable. Step number 4 is entering deep focus. Real progress requires uninterrupted attention, not half attention, not distracted effort, complete presence. Choose one meaningful task each day, something that moves your life forward. Then give it your full concentration. Remove distractions, silence notifications, create an environment where focus can exist. At first, your mind will try to escape. That's normal. Bring it back, again and again. Over time, your ability to focus will strengthen. You'll begin producing real results, not imaginary productivity, not fake busyness, real progress. This is where confidence is built, not from thinking, but from doing. Step number 5 is nightly reflection. Most people end their day unconsciously. They carry stress, regret, and negativity into tomorrow. But reflection changes everything. Before sleeping, take a few minutes. Write down what went well. Even small victories matter. They prove movement. Then write what you learned, where you struggled, where you improved, what you will do better tomorrow. This simple act builds awareness, and awareness creates growth. Gratitude shifts your perspective. Reflection sharpens your direction. You stop living on autopilot. You start living intentionally. And here's the truth. The first days will challenge you. Your mind will resist. Your old habits will try to pull you back. You'll feel discomfort. You'll feel resistance. But that resistance is not a sign of failure. It's a sign of transformation. Because every day you continue, you separate yourself from the version of you that stayed stuck. After 21 days, the change won't just be visible in your actions, it will exist in your identity. You will trust yourself more. You will focus more clearly. You will move with purpose. Not because someone forced you, but because you rebuilt yourself. This is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming intentional. And the person you become in the next 21 days will thank you for starting today. If you're ready for that transformation, write "I'm ready," because this is where your reset begins.